Hello guys, today we are in another video of the sounds of the forest. I'm right now firing. Okay, the sounds of the forest, and Kevin, we gonna have a base. Not that base. It's ugly. It is next to the helicopter. It's so stupid. So I'm gonna build a base. I'm gonna build some house because I'm too lazy to build something normal. Okay, we can build this house. This is okay house, I think. We got the water right there, so Kevin, I can sleep. Okay, Kevin, take some oxygen. So I can have some things, and we can look what I have in inventory. Is it night? Is it night? Okay. I think it's gonna be sunny. Calvin, hello. Do you wanna? No, I don't. I think I'm gonna destroy these trees and I'm gonna build a house. Yum yum yum. Cannibals! Again! I'm here to rob you. Put your hands up. You don't have weapons. Hello? Oh, wait. Wait. Huh? It is. Okay. Hey, what's up? I'm friendly. Don't worry. I just wanna loot you, that's all. I need some things. Oh, I got good things. Gosh. Yeah, I hope again. And this. You wanna another one like before? You wanna? Yeah, just look at me. You wanna the spear in your eye? You're gonna see only spear and black and dark. Huh? Wanna? Just attack me! Do it! So... this... Wait, can I scare him?
Boom! Headshot!
What did just happen? What did I do wrong? Can you say what happened? I just saw him and they knocked me out. Get out, guys. But yo, 3 versus 1. Yeah, get out. Yeah. Good job. Ugh. Wait, I have a knife. Bro, I have a knife. Guys, please. They are stupid. No, guys, wait, please, okay? Okay, I'm coming out. I don't hurt you, okay? Ivana, I have a dinner. I can have a lunch from you, Ivana. Yes, voila. Attack on me. Come. Wait, guys, I take this. What I have in. Nice medkits I need. Of course. Fuck. Ah. Fucking shit. Come here. You don't have a hand? How is it feel? I'm here. Now I'm here. Your friend doesn't have a hand. You will not tell me. I can let him alive. Where is he? Can you say where did he go? Okay, backrooms eat him. Guys, I need to kill one of you.
Treat me like what these, don't get me dirty.
Voilà, come. Fucking here. Calm down. Nice. Fuck. No. Okay, guys, let's calm down. What do you wait, I have a spear. I have a spear! Ivana, right now, I was lying. No, 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 no. I want a body only. I want the body, please. Wait, please, come on. Please. Okay, I'm sorry. So, yeah, Ivana, come again. You're gonna be like your friend. Still idiot like before. You don't have a friend. Ah, fuck you. Beer. No. Fuck. I want your mask. That's basic, I can do it all day. Thank you. Because I wanna kill him, I need food. Kelvin. So I'll take my axe and... Nice. I got him back. And I need... one arm. Yeah, okay. I know, I need to fight. Yeah, that's fine. I can help him with this. Vin! Hurry up! No, stop it! Good. You wanna again? You wanna try? I don't have sticks. Kelvin, I'm gonna save the game, okay? I'm going in the cave! Whoa. Nice. And I got this weapon. And how strong is it? It's good for fighting. I every time get scared. Please. I'm thirsty! Wow! But I'm scared. I'm not lying, guys. I'm just running because I wanna see the... Wow, I get scared every time of something. Hello. Ooh. Hello. Oh shit. Let's just ignore it. Yeah, it's funny. Okay, so Ja, is it okay? Puffy! Ah! Ah! Ivana! Fuck! He's stronger than me! Always. Yeah. The mutants kill me. And Kevin is not with me because he's somewhere in the forest and I don't even care about him. So so thank you for watching. Write me something in the comments so I can laugh. And Kevin is coming for me. Oh no, that's a bad. He's looking at me. And write something in the comments. Press like, smash the subscribe button. And so we can have 5 subscribers. And Kevin is here. Thank you for supporting me. Please subscribe and bye bye. Kevin. Ah!